The makers of the top-rated infant car safety seat have maximized the KeyFit with premium zip features. Introducing KeyFit Max Zip ClearTex, the extended-use infant car seat with a zip. Now with an easy extend headrest system, stability plus legroom, integrated carrier-only install, and one-hand easy adjust handle. This rear-facing seat is maximized. A zip-open vent and magnetic privacy shield make this KeyFit Max a zip. The innovative installation system makes KeyFit Max Zip easy to install, while ClearTex fabric with no added flame-retardant chemicals offers your child a breath of fresh air. You and your child will enjoy maximum comfort and convenience. KeyFit Max Zip ClearTex, the extended-use infant car seat with a zip. Only from Chicco.